Half of your TCL TV screen looks darker, while the other half is perfectly fine, and it's driving you crazy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that problem step by step, using simple methods you can safely try at home. Let's start by power cycling the TV because this is the easiest and safest fix you can try first. Turn the TV off completely and unplug it from the wall. Once it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for about 15 seconds. After that, leave it unplugged for around 30 minutes so any leftover electricity inside the TV can drain out. When the time is up, plug it back in and turn it on again to see if the darker half of the screen has returned to normal. Now let's check the power source because sometimes the problem is not with the screen at all, but with the power connection. Make sure your TV is plugged directly into a wall socket instead of using a surge protector or extension cord. These can sometimes cause uneven power delivery to the TV. If it's already connected directly to the wall, try a different socket, preferably on another side of the room, and see if the issue improves. Next, we'll inspect the HDMI and input cables to rule out a signal problem. Unplug every cable from the TV except the main power cord. Then turn on the TV and open the on-screen menu. If the screen now looks evenly lit, one of the HDMI or input cables may have been the cause. Clean the ends of each cable gently and reconnect them one by one, checking after each connection to see if the darker side comes back. Replace any cable that causes the problem to return. After that, it's time to update the TV firmware because outdated software can sometimes lead to display glitches. Using your remote, go to Settings, then open Support and select Software Update. Choose the network option if it's available, and let the TV download and install the latest update. Once the update is complete, restart the TV and check the screen again. If the update through the network doesn't work, you can also install it using a USB drive. Now we'll adjust the picture settings to see if the issue is related to brightness or contrast. From the home screen, go to Settings, then Display and Sound, and open the picture menu. Try lowering the brightness or backlight level slightly. Then go into the advanced settings and turn off local contrast or any dynamic picture options. These adjustments can help even out the brightness across the screen. Make one change at a time and observe if the display improves. Finally, we'll perform a factory reset if none of the earlier steps worked. Go to Settings, then System, then Advanced, and select Factory Reset. This will erase all your custom settings and restore the TV to its original condition. After the reset, go through the initial setup again and check whether the darker screen problem is gone. That's it for this video on how to fix the TCL TV half-screen darker problem. I hope these simple step-by-step methods helped you get your screen back to normal. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes and troubleshooting guides. Did any of these steps work for you, or did you find another solution? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.